Hi. So I realized that during the lectures, right, I paused the recording and I forgot to turn it on for one part for question one. So I think let me redo it as I think some of your colleagues are asking for question number one. Okay, so I'll just do a very quick video. Okay, the question wants us to convert this table into this table over here. Or rather, I want us to write a SQL statement which converts the entries from this table into this table. So the first thing that we think about is we don't need to think too complex first. So essentially, there are two things to this. The first is the select, whereby we select the entries from this table. And then the second part is the insert, where we insert those entries into this table over here. So actually, if you think about that, like we don't need to be too concerned over the second part first. The difficult part is primarily the first part on what are the things to select from. Okay, so actually that's really the very hard part. So we think about the table on the tables here. This table tells me like for certain order, what menu, rather what item in the menu did I ordered, the month it was ordered from, and the outlet. So this is what the table is doing. It is trying to say. And in this menu table, it simply tells me for each menu how many of that item was being sold, and also the month that was being sold. So the question now is, how do we convert something from here to here? So what we are looking at is probably something like this. So let's say if order 1, 2, 3, let's say menu item like A1, A2, and A1. Month, so let's say it's January. Outlet, actually this outlet is not important because we're not going to use it. So what this is going to tell me in the end is I'm going to have A1, and amount sold is going to be 2, and the month is going to be 1. And also in menu item A2, amount sold is going to be 1, and month is going to be 1. So this is the expected output that I'm going to insert into my menu table. Okay. So with that in mind, see how then do we create the select statement in order to put it there. So we mentioned that we want to have, rather we gave you the hint where in at least in the inner query, we probably have a group by. In fact, we are going to have two group by. So that we will have a group by something. Okay, and from it can only be from order table. I can't be for anything else, so that's quite OT. Yeah, so we're going to convert every single item like here. So there is no where condition. So everything will be converted. We need to go to group by. And we do select something, which I also don't know what yet. Okay, but we need to do a group by. And in this case, right, we are we are actually going to group by. We want to find out for each menu item and which months is being sold by. So I think naturally we will think that because there is this for each. Every time we hear the words for each, right? Typically it means that we need a group by kind of command. So we have this group by and there's this for each kind of thing. So we probably will need a group by the menu ID and also the months. So okay, so that settles the so-called the group by. Then we have this select statement, And so the select statement will then indicate that there is we definitely need manual ID because it's there, and we need the months sold. And so this accounts for this attribute and this attribute. The last attribute, which is the amount sold, is the amount of manual items that were sold for that particular month, and which we can do it by account of star, which gives me the amount of item that is being sold for that month. So this gives me the inner query. And if I want to do the outer query, we can simply do a insert into menu item, menu table, this entire query. So this inner query gives me the ID, the count, and the month, and the outer query inserts this into my menu table that you see over here. Okay. So that's how we solve this question number 1. Thank you.